Hello friends, so today we are going to see the Cha Yun-woo, the top Korean drama, 8 drama that are worth watching and you should really watch if you are really fan of Cha Yun-woo. So let's start the video. On number 8 we have To Be Continued. The To Be Continued is a South Korean drama. It is a web drama which was released in 2015. There are total 12 episodes, and in this drama, the web drama, it is a teen fantasy drama, romantic drama that tells the story of the male idol group that suddenly go back in the time just one day ahead of their debut on stage. In this, we see all the members of a Astro Band. So every Astro Band fan, it is a really amazing drama, and go and watch this drama. It is a comedy, fantasy, youth drama, and also a very unique drama. So go and watch and enjoy yourself. On number 7 we have My Romantic Sum Recipe. It is also a South Korean drama, and in this the Mia Neo is a college student girl who works at a shop and has a one-sided love for a Kang Jun who is the customer at her shop. She tries to attract him but she fails, and then she meets the idol star. The idol star is played by the Cha Yun-woo. He is the perfect example of egocentric, self-confident and a handsome boy, and but that not all indeed. He can also cook and give a lot of good tips, and he is very kind to the girl. When she meet him, her life changes completely, and he supports her in every moment, and he also support her to overcome from her failure. So go and watch this drama and you will really enjoy this drama. This is a very funny drama too. So go and watch this drama. It is simple funny drama and you are going to surely love this drama. So this was the number 7. On number 6 we have The Sweet Revenge. It is a very famous web drama. Most of you have been watched. If you are not watched, this is The Sweet Revenge drama. It is a 22 episode, 2017 it was released in, and it is the story of a girl who gets her hand on a note app in her mobile, and when she wrote the name of a person, the revenge is taken from that person for his work. Cha Yun-woo is playing a idol in this drama who has a secret crush on this girl, and also the friend of her family and her brother who get jealous of her boyfriend and also very protective for her. So go and watch this drama. Do watch this web drama. You will see the jealous side of and the more cute side of a Cha Yun-woo in this web drama, and you're surely going to love this drama. He has played himself in this drama. So go and watch this drama, and this is a really romantic comedy school drama and a very fantasy drama of an app, mobile app. On number 5 we have Top Management. The Top Management is in a South Korean web drama which was released in 2018. There are 16 episodes and it is based on the internet novel. In this drama, the story of a girl who is the manager of an entertainment agency who become the manager of an aspiring boy band named SOU Seoul have 4 boys in the band. She has the ability to see the future and she uses this ability to be successful. And in this drama, the Cha Yun-woo is played the role of the band in the boy, and he has a crush on the another boy of a band, and also he is very hardworking and working to achieve the success and to achieve his dream. And this was the story, and it is a fun drama with some gay crush and also the hard work of these boys and the girls to be successful in their achieving dream. So go and watch this drama. Here you will see the different role of an Cha Yun-woo where he is playing the homosexual. On number 3 we have The Big Hit or the Top of Hit. It is released in 2017. It is a South Korean drama that tells the story in the year 1993. A pop idol Yoo Yoon Jae, played by the Cha Yun-woo, accidentally traveled through the time to 2017, discovering that he mysteriously disappeared in 1993, and he begins to investigate into the reason for his disappearance while trying to adjust her life in future. Meanwhile, there is another boy, his name is Lee Ji-hoon, is an aspiring musician and is secretly enrolled as an idol trainee in the entertainment, but his parents think that he is preparing for the civil services examination. He hides the secret of being a musical trainee in the entertainment from his parents. Go and watch this drama. Youth comedy, fantasy, romance, time travel drama, and look of a Cha Yun will catch your heart. He is very handsome in this drama. On number 3 we have My ID is Gangnam Beauty. There are total 16 episodes released in 2018. It is a South Korean drama in which the Kang Mi-rae is a girl decide to get the plastic surgery after being bullied for her looks, but after again she bullied because of her looks in her university, and she is known as a Gangnam Beauty plastic monster. The drama followed the story of recovering the self-esteem as she gets to know the boy named as Do Kyung-suk, who is played by the Cha Yun-woo. He is a handsome college student studying in the same university in the same class of a Kang Mi-rae, and he is intelligent and very rich, but his family environment is not so good because of his parents, so he is alone in his life personally. and how they both support each other in these circumstances, and also they fall in love with each other for each other real beauty. This drama is really good and teaches us how so much about the reality and teaches us to love ourselves for being real. On number 2, we have the Soul Plate. The Soul Plate is also a South Korean drama. There are total 6 episodes and released in 2019. In this drama, the shows the drama about the Astro member. In this, they are played the angels and descendants of a Raphael running restaurant. And the angel Raphael is played by the Cha Yun Woo. He work at the restaurant as a head chef. He is the angel of these all angels, and he is the one who brought them on earth. He has a good medical knowledge. So in this drama we see all the Astro members, and all other Astro members are also angels played by them, and they heal and comfort the people with their soul food who visit their restaurant. This is a really unique and amazing story and a fantasy story, and also the love story between the angel and the girl. Don't miss this drama, go and watch this drama. And for all the Astro band lovers, this is really amazing drama containing all the member of Astro band in this drama. Go and give a chance to this drama. I really love this drama. This is a simple comedy youth food drama, and the love story is also very unique. Like, they first hate each other, like they don't tolerate each other presence, but afterward they can't live without each other. So go and watch this unique drama, the fantasy drama, and you will surely going to love this drama. Also, there is a many every members are involved in every acting in this drama, so go and enjoy. On number 1, we have The Rookie Historian. It is also a South Korean drama which was released in 2019, and there are total 40 episodes in this drama. This drama revolves around the newfound romance between the aspiring palace historian woman and the lonely happiness romantic prince named Do-won Yi-rim. The Do-won Yi-rim is a prince which is played by Chan Yun-woo. He's played a prince. They both break the norms and fight for the equality and discover the secret from their past, and that could overturn the value of their society and change their dynasty values, and also change the tradition and break the many rules together. Also, they fell in love with each other, but it is not easy for them to be together with each other, as there are many obstacles comes in between. And also, it is very comedy romance drama, and in this you will surely going to love the look of the Yeoncha. He is looking a prince charming for real, and also the princess is very also beautiful. So go and watch all the drama that I have been recommended, because it is really worth watching drama, and in every drama you will see the unique role and a unique style of a Cha Yun Woo, which make him really charming prince.